And online in every single category is free shipping and handling. Oh, I said that right. You've got 4 hours to do some great shopping, and we're going to begin with Temp-tations. And just in time for the holidays, we have holiday mugs with gift boxes, and you're going to be able to choose 2 different groupings. You may want to choose one of each, and it breaks down to $6 per gift. And remember, the shipping and handling is free. Let's come over here and welcome Tara Tesher. Hi, friend.
Hello.
Wonderful
Hello,
to
everyone.
see you.
Great to be here.
What an exciting opportunity for us to be able to share these giftable mugs.
Yes.
Now, just recently we did your giftable mini loaf pans.
We did.
They blew the roof off the place. I think we're still
you.
fixing the roof, trying to get it reattached. This may very well happen again because not only is this stinking cute, but it's also available on free shipping and handling like every item until 4 o'clock today.
I love that.
So if you're looking to save an extra $5.50, why not, right? Tell us about these.
So we participated for the very first time in this break apart gift program. And as David mentioned, our mini loaves and our mini mitts have been wildly popular. Love the fact that I think we saved the best for last. When we asked you what would you like to see, mugs were the #1 choice. So we included all of our whimsy characters here, starting, of course, with our adorable snowman. Now, David, I wanted to show you the snowmans on the front and the back, all individually hand-painted with hand-applied accents, 14 ounces in capacity. He's got the adorable mittens on. He's got the cardinal on his hat for my dad. That's one $6 gift. Then, of course, we included our gingerbread. Look how stinking cute he is. Again, front and back as well, tipped with those polka dots there on the handle, the adorable snowflake, and he's all buttoned up in his winter gear as well. Then, of course, we included our red penguin here. I love the pop of red there, your green and white polka dots, that blue swirl handle. These are whimsy. These are fun. There's your third $6 gift. And then can we just talk about how adorable Santa is? Love him. Nice oversized handle here on the mug, pedestal, base on the bottom. Everything you've come to love from Temp-tations. There's your first choice with your whimsy characters.
And then down below, we've got your polka dot.
Yes.
Now, this is much more limited. We don't have as many polka dot to go around, and you don't choose a single mug for $24. You get all 4 of them, and you get their matching gift box. So here's your polka dot in the black. Here's your polka dot in the green, and in case you're wondering, do these colors work back to all the Temptations colors? You bet they do.
Family of colors.
You better believe it. We've got the red for you as well, and then finally we have it for you in the blue. Now, we're calling this collection polka dot, this one whimsy.
Right.
Now, I need to let you know we've now taken orders for. Over 900 of these are gone. QVC.com and mobile apps will be your best ordering experience. Every item until 3:59 p.m. today is free shipping and handling.
I love that.
Including these. So let's go to the oven and maybe retrieve some French onion soup.
You'll love this. Ooh, I'm just going to drip a little on the floor. Sorry about that. But here's what I love about this.
Okay.
Did almost burn David.
Almost.
I mean, they're nice and hot. Here's what's great about these. Our mugs, everything you love from Temp-tations still applies. So the fact that you can put this in the oven up to 500 degrees, we just did that ooey gooey, beautiful French onion soup that you see there. And notice that I never have to worry about that cheese sticking because, again, even the ooey gooey things that you're going to make in here, whether they're individual desserts, whether they're individual French soups, think about this at everybody's place setting. Breaking them apart is great gifts, maybe including some snacks with them, some Germac, some Cheryl's cookies if you wanted to, but also personalizing them around the holidays at your own home.
Well, we just got incredibly busy, as you might imagine. 2,500 are now gone.
Wow.
I want to show you what's in front of me. I have the Whimsy collection in front of me. Everything you see between my 2 hands, you're getting. You're getting all 4 mugs and all 4 gift boxes. These are individual, so if you wanted to give each one away as an individual gift, it's fine. If you wanted to use them together as a set, they complement. That's what's beautiful about these. Now, here's something Tara showed me before the show began. If you're buying the polka dot and the whimsy and wanted to pair them.
Yes.
Oh, hello.
Yes.
How you doing? Oh, here's the red.
Yeah, and I like the black with either Santa or the ginger, whatever, because
and
they
the
have a
black
trim.
goes with either one because there's black trim here, and that works out nicely.
Look
so
how
look
fun
at how
those are.
fun it is if you wanted to mix and match them. 3,500 of these are now gone. Now, you are ordering the set separately. So we have polka dot down below, and it's been a long time since we've had polka dot from Temp-tations.
True story.
So this is your opportunity to buy polka dot or buy whimsy, but get them while they last. Free shipping and handling, only good until 3:59 p.m. Eastern time today. 4,000 are now gone.
Okay. So can I show you how fun we did?
And let me just say real
Tell me.
quickly,
Sorry.
if someone is shopping today,
yes,
and they are thinking, I've never made a purchase with QVC before. I'd like to set up a QVC account.
Ooh.
Well, it'll take about 90 seconds to do that. Call the number you see on your screen and make a purchase. Ask the operator for something called 5 for You. We'll take $5 off this price, Tara.
I love that.
How you doing? $5. So now you're paying $19 for this.
Wow. That's amazing. I love that.
Hello.
I'll take it.
So go ahead and take advantage of that.
So here's what I love. We did 4 individual desserts in here. And I know you love this, mug cakes, right? Super duper popular. So whether you did a cookie cake that you then did a little hot fudge sundae on top of, this is one individual dessert. Nice oversized handle. As cute as they are, everyone, they're still what you love and expect from Temp-tations. They're your workhorse in your kitchen. We did this beautiful lemon cake, which I absolutely love. Again, I love the fact that you have that gorgeous piped icing on the top. Everybody, 14 ounces, has their own individual dessert. We did a red velvet peppermint cake. I love this, especially around the holidays. There is someone on our list, and when you think of the fact that everybody drinks something, whether it's water, whether it's tea, whether it's coffee, this is that no-brainer gift. And then look at this, we did a beautiful chocolate raspberry where we piped some mousse on top of that gorgeous cake that we baked, David, right inside there. Incredible value for a break-apart gift that someone will use day in and day out.
When you think about who would enjoy something like this, think about your school teachers, teachers' aides, piano teachers, soccer coaches, mail delivery people, UPS drivers, school bus drivers, your landscaper, your gardener, your neighbor who's always so kind to bring in your packages when you're traveling for business during the week. There are so many people you want to remember at this time of year, and remember it's free shipping on all of it. Incredible. Everything between now and 3:59 p.m. Eastern Time. 7,000 sets are now gone.
Thank you, everyone.
So the first choice is called Whimsy.
Yeah, can I brag on them again?
Please.
Okay, so again, I love our Whimsy characters. So do many of you. If you picked up the holiday loaves, this coordinates back. We're starting 14 ounces, nice oversized handle, pedestal base. Here's our snowman. And I really want you to see all the detail, all the fun, all the whimsy here. Again, hand-painted, hand-applied accents, not only on the front, but also on the back, which is really important. So no matter which way you're looking at it, you have that. 14 ounces, beautiful stoneware on the inside. There's your first gift. With, by the way, I haven't even bragged on these bow and go boxes. They're nice firm boxes. All you do is the to and from right there. Done. Gift number 1. Gift number 2, our penguin. He has that adorable hat with his mittens, his scarf, the beautiful little cardinal that I always do in honor of my father, front and back. Again, beautiful hand-painted handle. Then we have our gingerbread, also in that great gift box. Green background. I love the fact how happy he looks, his adorable little accents of his pink cheeks, his little rosy cheeks. Again, these are meant to be fun. And when you gift them, people think about you year after year. There's our snowman. Isn't he adorable? Again, he's holding a little Christmas tree there. He's out in his winter scene, and he too has a great gift box. So that's your whimsy choice. Then down in front, as David mentioned, the polka dot, which you have been asking us to bring back. I thought this would be such a fun way to debut that. And again, we picked our 4 most popular colors.
Here's the black. I also have green. You'll get red. And you'll get blue. You're not choosing which color you want. You get all 4 of them. Now, we are much, much, much more limited in the polka dot. So please be aware, given the fact that we put every item on air and online on free shipping and handling until 3:59 p.m. today, these are flying out the door. 9,000 sets are now gone.
Thank you, everybody.
If you use your Q card on these today, Tara, we have a special 6-pay promotion happening today. So if you want to pick these up on your Q card, instead of getting ordinarily 3 easy payments, you get 6.
That's amazing.
And one more piece of information, because there's so much to tell you. If you decide you would like to open a Q card account today, here's what we're going to do. You apply for a Q card, get approved, and make a first purchase. We're going to give you an account credit of $40. That's going to more than pay for these mugs. Yes,
Just saying.
Just saying. Let's go over here.
So I wanted to show you, thinking outside the box a little bit.
Ready for a big number real quickly? Over 10,000 are now gone. I love how you break these up for gifts.
Yeah, break them up as gifts, but also think outside the box, right? The gift box. So whether, again, you're putting your little Keurig inside there, it's a little tea station right here. All we did was wrap it in a little cello, put the bow on. You can keep that box for something else or just use it for storage. This is brilliant. Filling this with peppermints and then using this as your tapers. Imagine this all the way down your holiday table with the polka dots. It could be your everyday table, which is beautiful. I love the fact that some little thing you want to tuck inside there to as a little special memento. Maybe you want to bake something in here. You know, we were talking about pumpkin breads and your banana breads and all of that. And then look what we did here. This, David, let me pull this rose up, is actually our mug that we planted our little flowers in, and that now becomes the centerpiece. So as well as your candlesticks and your flowers, you can now create that gorgeous tablescape down the center of your table just by using the mugs.
We are incredibly busy now. We've now taken orders for over 11,000 are gone. QVC.com and mobile apps are going to be your best way to get through right now. Every item is on free shipping until 3:59 p.m. Eastern Time today. You have about 3 hours and 45 minutes to get free shipping on everything.
Look how beautiful that table is.
Look at that gorgeous table. So now if you have your Temp-tations dinnerware, and because all this is a family of colors, they all work back. Or split them all up and give out great gifts. Maybe get a couple sets of each one, given that it's all free shipping. I mean, every time you take advantage of free shipping, that's $5.50 you're not spending. So think about this. You buy 2 sets, that's a savings of $11 right there.
It's almost 2 mugs. It's almost the price of 2 mugs that you're saving, which is amazing.
Crazy. So don't miss out on this free shipping. 12,000 are now gone. Polka dots now, guys, take a look down below. If you want these polka dots, they're now half gone.
Wow.
And that's what we brought in polka dots is now half gone. Free shipping and handling. And if you're using your Q card, remember you can put this on Easy Pay. Ordinarily it would be 3 pay. Today it's 6.
Love that.
6 easy payments.
I love that.
Use that Q card. A lot to love about that Q card.
A lot to love about that pumpkin cheesecake I just took out also. So remember, you can chill these mugs ahead of time. So when you think of the fact that you can bake in these, you can serve in these. Of course, they go right in your microwave, so you're reheating that Keurig. They go in the dishwasher when you want to go ahead and clean them. So we did pumpkin cheesecakes. We did mac and cheese, and we did French onion soup. We did 4 individual desserts that we were showing you here where you can personalize them at everybody's place setting. And I love the fact, and you haven't hugged your mug yet, but I love the fact that they have this great silhouette. David loves the oversized handle, and again, the memories it creates of growing up.
You know what? I mean, Tuesday night going into Wednesday morning, we are kicking off a Keurig coffee maker today, special value. And one of the things I love in the evening is to brew myself some hot apple cider in my Keurig, put it in a mug like this, and sit on the sofa and hold it with both hands, get nice and warm. I had a fire going last night. It was chilly and rainy here in Pennsylvania. Don't miss out on this opportunity to have this with your Keurig, to make some delicious soup, make oatmeal in the morning. How many are gone now, Sean? 14,000 sets are now gone. We are incredibly busy. We're going to welcome Rose in Illinois. Rose, how are you today?
I am just fine, and this is a wonderful treat to talk to you.
Well, thank you. The pleasure is all ours. We're thrilled to welcome you in. Tara and I would love to know, which pattern did you choose, the whimsy or the polka dots?
I got the polka dots because they'll be good all season.
Yes, they will.
Season.
Very smart. I love that, Rose.
Miss Rose has got it going on.
And they're cheerful. Are you going to keep them, or are you going to gift some of them? What do you think?
Well, I'm, of course, going to keep one.
Okay, I like that.
And I'll gift the others to some lucky people.
Yeah.
And I just want to say, Temp-tations is everything you say it is. I'm an old lady who's been cooking for 60 years. And I at first did not believe it was so easy to clean and all the rest, but it is. It certainly is. Thank you.
Thank you, Rose, and thank you for sharing that. My mom still jokes with me sometimes, who's been cooking many, many years. She's like, I thought I was going to have to throw it away. I put it right in the dishwasher, and it came clean.
Well, wonderful.
Thank you.
That's all you do, and keep it coming.
Absolutely.
We'll do it. And Rose, stay tuned today because everything on air and online is free shipping until 3:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So if there's more you want to shop for, now's the time to do it and get free shipping.
Believe me, I'm watching out for that.
Good.
And Sunday morning is my time with you.
Wonderful. We wouldn't have it any other way. Rose, you're always welcome in our kitchen.
Thank you.
Thank you, love.
And you're welcome in mine, too.
Oh, you sweetheart. I'll just come knocking. You better be ready.
He will.
Anytime. Anytime.
Take good care, sweetie. Be well. Bye-bye.
Bye, Rose.
Bye-bye.
So we are very, very busy. How many gone now, Sean? 16,000.
Thank you, everybody.
If you want polka dot, let's take a look down here, guys. We started with 8,100 sets of polka dot. I have 2,000 left.
Wow.
Wow. Now, it's important to get yours now. If you want that easy pay, it will expire at 3:59 p.m. Eastern Time today. That's less than 4 hours from now. Really big. Miss Tara, the only item you brought us today?
That was the only one I brought today, David.
All right. Will I
But,
see you on Wednesday?
Oh, with 3 items, and I'm giving you this today.
Yes.
3 items on Sunday.
Love it.
Bye, everyone.
Hashtag pass it on.
Don't you worry.
All right. Hey, if you're looking for more hot picks, and this was one, those are our star products every day on QVC. This is a great opportunity for you to be able to take advantage of